Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add apps to the dock on your Mac, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Finder on your Mac. Then go to the Applications folder. This is where all your installed apps are. Now find the app you want to add to your dock. Once you find it, simply click and hold the app icon, then drag it down to your dock. Place it anywhere you want, and then release. And just like that, the app is now added to your dock. Another quick way to do this is if the app is already open. While it's running, right-click on its icon in the dock, go to Options, and click Keep in Dock. This will keep the app in your dock even after you close it. You can also rearrange apps in your dock anytime by clicking and dragging them left or right. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.